Today, we're diving into a topic you've probably heard buzzing around lately: real-world assets, or RWAs for short. We've seen the term floating around a lot, but what are RWAs exactly? And why are RWAs important in the blockchain space? Let's break it down in simple terms. Real-world assets are things of value that exist in the physical world, things you can touch, own, or trade in the traditional financial markets. Think of assets like real estate, gold, cars, or even fine art. If you can interact with it in real life and it holds value, it's likely an RWA. RWAs have been essential to the global economy for centuries, representing tangible value and offering all kinds of investment opportunities. But there's a catch. Investing in RWAs has traditionally been limited to the wealthy or big institutions. Regular people like you and me haven't always had access to these kinds of assets. Now, here's where the magic of blockchain steps in. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with RWAs in a few key ways. Number one, tokenization. Imagine turning a physical asset like a house or a piece of art into a digital token on the blockchain. Suddenly, you can buy, sell, or trade that asset easily, just like cryptocurrency. It unlocks liquidity and brings new opportunities to investors. Number two, fractional ownership. With blockchain, you don't need to buy an entire asset outright. You can own a fraction of an expensive asset, like a piece of real estate or a luxury car, which was previously too expensive for most people. Number three, transparency and security. Blockchain's secure and unchangeable ledger makes transactions crystal clear and safe. This reduces the risk of fraud and increases trust between buyers and sellers. Last, but not least, global accessibility. No matter where you are in the world, blockchain allows you to access and invest in RWAs. You're no longer limited by geography. But wait, there's more to this story. While RWAs offer exciting investment potential, they come with one big challenge: liquidity. Let's talk about liquidity for a second. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell an asset without impacting its price. Cash is super liquid. You can exchange it instantly for goods or services. But RWAs like real estate or art, not so much. In traditional markets, it could take weeks or months to find a buyer or seller, and you might not even get the price you want. Plus, the whole process is pretty complicated and slow. This brings us to the key issues with real-world assets, RWAs. Illiquidity, meaning you may not be able to quickly convert your investment into cash when needed, leaving your funds stuck. There's also the challenge of high barriers to entry, as many RWAs, like properties, require significant upfront capital, making them inaccessible to the average investor. Additionally, a lack of transparency in traditional markets can create uncertainty, with limited information on ownership or valuations, making it difficult for investors to make well-informed decisions. This is where tokenization shines. Tokenization involves converting RWAs into digital tokens on the blockchain, representing fractional ownership of the asset. For instance, a $1 million property can be tokenized into 1 million digital tokens, each worth $1. That means anyone can invest in a slice of the property. The best part? Tokenization doesn't just make RWAs more affordable, it also boosts their liquidity. In theory, tokenized RWAs could be traded on digital exchanges 24/7, just like cryptocurrencies. Want to sell your share of a real estate property? A few clicks and you're done, anytime, anywhere. By increasing liquidity, tokenization opens up incredible opportunities for both investors and asset owners. For investors, it means diversifying portfolios and getting into asset classes that were previously out of reach. And for asset owners, it offers a brand new way to raise capital and unlock the value of their assets. 3 blockchain projects making all of this possible are Ondo, Mantra, and Cosmos. These projects are leading the way in bringing RWAs into the blockchain space. To know more about them, check out our other videos, link in the description. So, there you have it. RWAs and blockchain together could reshape the future of investing, making it more accessible, transparent, and liquid than ever before. Exciting times are ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates. This is Abby, and you're watching Brezza. See you next time.